Say no to diabetes, you just need an egg to regulate your blood sugar levels. Here's what you need to do. In this video, we're going to show you a simple trick, which will help you regulate your blood sugar levels with just 2 simple ingredients. Take a look at the article below and find out more about this. Diabetes, it's a condition where the amount of glucose in your blood is too high because your body can't use it properly. And the main reason for that is because your pancreas doesn't produce any or enough insulin to help glucose enter your body's cells. Or, the insulin produced by your body isn't working properly. This condition is also known as insulin resistance. Do you know what's insulin? Insulin is a hormone produced by the pancreas. Its main function is to maintain proper blood sugar levels. Many experts around the world say that this homemade remedy is extremely effective and beneficial for controlling and reducing your blood sugar levels. It reduces blood sugar levels very quickly. We all know that diabetes is a very common health problem, which affects many people around the world. It happens when your pancreas stops producing insulin or when your body is not able to properly use the insulin which is present in the body. Today, diabetes takes more lives than AIDS and breast cancer combined, claiming the life of 1 American every 3 minutes. It is a leading cause of blindness, kidney failure, amputations, heart failure, and stroke. And remember, if you suffer from diabetes, it's very important for you to keep your blood sugar levels at normal range, in order to function properly. You should eat healthily and use different prescription or natural medications to relieve unpleasant symptoms. These are the common symptoms of diabetes: urinating more often than usual, especially at night, feeling very thirsty, rapid weight loss, itching around the penis or vagina, cuts or wounds that heal very slowly, blurred vision, fatigue, etc. The experts say that the worst thing about this disease is that it can cause many different health problems such as poor vision, weakness, blindness, nerve damage, kidney failure, heart disease, erectile dysfunction in men, etc. You'll need the following ingredients: 10 red hot chili peppers, 2 eggs, 1/2 teaspoon sea salt. Directions: break the eggs and mix them with the chili peppers chopped. Then, you need to add the salt and mix everything well. Consume this remedy in the next few days and say goodbye to diabetes. Another great remedy for diabetes. Miracle drink that can cure diabetes in only 5 days. Note, as we said, this recipe will help you lower your blood sugar levels in only 5 days. And trust me, you'll be amazed by the results. You will need the following ingredients: 1 green apple, 2 carrots, 3 handful of spinach, 2 stalks of celery. Directions: here's what you need to do. First, you need to wash and peel the apple and then the carrots. After that, you need to remove the seeds from the apple. Place all the ingredients into a blender or juice and mix well. You should drink this mixture every morning on an empty stomach. This mixture will help normalize blood sugar levels and lower blood pressure. Ingredients: green apples. Green apples are loaded with malic acid, which is extremely effective in lowering blood sugar levels. Carrots. This super healthy vegetable is loaded with healthy nutrients, and it can help you treat vision problems and help you regulate the blood sugar levels. Spinach. It is loaded with vitamin A, vitamin C, and calcium. Celery. Celery is loaded with magnesium and potassium. They are great for preventing high blood pressure. If you want to keep your blood sugar levels under control, then you have to consume this drink each morning.